Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to see poll on Messenger. So what you have to gonna do, you will have to just open the Messenger app on this Android device or iOS. So when it's open, so you will have to go on the people and there is the groups option. So you have to firstly joining the group, and there is, you can see, there is the poll option. So here you can the poll features in Facebook Messenger is only available for groups with more than 2 people. You can't create a poll in private chat. Also, Messenger polls are not accessible in countries like Japan and a few European countries. So you can only poll in group chats, not in a private chat. Make sure. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.